You see, we will start from here, 155.8.
Yes, sir.
The whole address is to Savitri. Oh Savitri, thou art my spirit's power. And he is now stipulating what work she has to do.
Right, sir. So initially he starts with addressing both of them.
That is over.
Yes, sir.
Now the whole address is to Savitri. Then shall the truth supreme be given to men.
In fact, sir, even earlier, if we see, Satyavan is addressed in the third person.
Yeah, where? Yeah.
Even in this earlier, let's say 155.4, sir.
Yeah. He is my soul.
So
Yeah.
he's addressed in the third person,
Yeah.
which means from the beginning he's basically addressing Savitri only. Supreme
Yeah.
is addressing
Yeah,
Savitri.
yeah, that's right. Obviously,
Yes, sir.
yeah, because it is she who has approached him. Obviously, yeah. Obviously, yeah. And then of course you have got a mightier race shall inhabit the mortal world. You know, all those glorious things are there. See,
Yes,
but
sir.
basically the operational sentence is this: when the hour of the divine draws near, the mighty mother shall take birth in time, and God be born into the human claim in forms made ready by your human life. This is definitely Savitri.
So many lives of her.
Now, does it mean that the mother will have to come again in the same form, human life? You see,
In that case, though,
that is what this should mean, perhaps. You
Yes,
see,
sir.
I don't know, but her tapasya, her cellular work had also gone so much
Yes, sir. So
that perhaps
there is
this stage, this particular approach is bypassed
right, sir.
because things are taken a
Yes, sir.
different turn.
Mother had used her own strategy by.
She has done her
way-
own work and
Yes,
then
sir.
prepared the whole ground. In the subtle physical, she has prepared her body already there.
Right,
And
sir.
it's a question of now that body sort of influencing things here
Right, sir.
on earth and preparing the whole physical for that thing to happen.
Right, sir.
Yet still, this looks to me, I don't know. Yeah, okay, next, anything?
Yes, sir. So this one maybe you wanted to talk about the descent of Krishna Kali.
Okay, yeah. That is the most wonderful thing.
So this descent is obviously in the subtle physical of the earth.
Yeah, well, not subtle physical. She is bringing it back.
Okay, sir.
She is bringing the soul of Satyavan back, and they are following. You see.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. But I mean, the soul and everything, it was from the subtle physical, all this had gone. The physical's participation right now in this is
It's
only
not there.
supporting, it's
Yeah,
not there, sir.
yeah.
So it has to be the subtle physical only that this thing comes.
Okay, yeah.
And-
They have come and established themselves
Right,
there.
sir.
Okay.
So which means in the human beings, the soul can have the opportunity of
in getting in contact with them
with
and
these powers,
yeah,
yes,
that's
sir.
true, of course.
And
yeah.
then achieving
Definitely.
those things, sir.
Yeah. See, the description is here. Savitri is coming down here. 156.9. Amid the headlong rapture of her fall, held like a bird in a child's satisfied hand, that is Satyavan. She kept within her strong, imposing soul, like a flower, the soul of Satyavan, inextricably. And then, I think we have to go back. Sorry, 156.6.
Yes, sir.
Pursuing her in her fall, implacably sweet, a face was over her which seemed a youth's. That is Krishna. Symbol of all the beauty, eyes see not, crowned us with peacock plumes of gorgeous hue, framing a sapphire whose heart-disturbing smile insatiably attracted to delight, voluptuous to the embrace of her soul. So that is the description of Krishna. And then they say, change in its shape, yet rapturously the same. He is descending, suddenly he has become another person. Rapture is the same. It grew a woman's, dark and beautiful, like a moon night with drifting star-gemmed clouds, a shadowy glory and a stormy depth, turbulent in will and terrible in love. That is, of course, the description of Savitri. And then They're coming behind her. So basically, what I would
So,
say
so
is
you said turbulent in will and terrible in love.
that is the nature, the dynamic nature of Kali,
sir. Yes, sir.
of the
Exactly.
divine Kali.
Yes, sir.
She is mother. That love is there, but her will is full of dynamism.
Yes, sir. Intolerant of.
Intolerant of all the opposition that will come in her way. You see, in other words, in order that Ananda is established here, there has to come here power. Without that, Ananda cannot become stable here.
Right, sir.
So, in fact, the coming of Krishna and Kali is essentially the yogic work of Savitri. We say that Satyavan must die, etc., and Savitri has brought back the soul of Satyavan from death. In a way of speaking, we can say that perhaps it is a minor achievement. Bringing back the soul of Satyavan is a relatively small matter. The real big thing which Savitri has done is she has brought down Krishna and Kali. That is the real thing.
Now, sir, can you relate this
Uh,
to one of the boons which she had asked to the Supreme and
Yeah.
those boons which were given to her? We have the boons in Sir.
no, she says, oh, thy peace, thy love, thy
Yes,
joy,
sir.
etc.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
right. Four things are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
4 things are there.
Yeah,
4
yeah.
are there, and in fact, there are 6 boons in
Yeah,
total.
yeah,
4
yeah,
here and
yeah,
2 before.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
among these 4,
Yeah.
there is one for the bliss, sir.
Uh,
So, can you specifically say that that thing is getting fulfilled immediately, sir? This is 153 point, let's say, sir, 41.
yeah. See, 41 you are saying, no?
Yes, sir.
No, and silence, thy peace, O Lord, a boon within to keep, amid the roar and ruin of wild time, for the magnificent soul of man on earth. Thy calm, O Lord, that bears the hands with joy. So,
Yes, sir.
now how you relate that thing?
So, yes, sir, my question is
uh,
the boon what Savitri has asked for are these 4, 4 in number, and the result which has
no,
happened
no,
is
she didn't ask. He is offering, and she says for each one, she's thinking.
yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah.
So he's just asking whether you would want them to be here,
Uh,
and she in fact asked all of them in the material
yes,
world.
obviously.
Right, sir.
For the magnificent soul of man on earth.
Earth.
That is all
Yes,
her
sir.
concern
Yes, sir.
all along.
So she's refused in a way the boons offered for the
be there.
to be there,
Yeah.
and she's instead asked them to be on the earth.
That's right.
That is the change she has asked.
Yes.
Now, after her asking of these 4 boons, the
She's not asking.
yeah, she's not asking, but
She is responding.
she's responding. Let's say.
She is not really asking.
Yes, sir. So she is responding.
yeah.
And after her response, the Supreme is in agreement with her choice.
Yeah. Then after the silence, this is the beautiful body of
Yes,
this is all that thing follows. Incarnate word. See again, incarnate word.
Yes,
you
sir.
see. Yeah.
So thy thoughts are mine, my will
Yeah,
is thine,
etc.
and all that is
This is
there.
exactly what I wanted to do here.
Yes,
and you are expressing what is there in my mind. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So now the question is that for these 4 things for which Savitri has responded for,
Okay.
for that to happen, the Supreme has made that force descend with her,
Yeah.
Krishna and Kali.
Yeah.
So Supreme has himself descended with her
Yeah.
as
See,
Krishna and
I
Kali.
mean, at the most, what you could say is, see the last one, 51.
Yes, sir.
Thy embrace which rends the living not of pain, thy joy, O Lord, in which all creatures breathe, thy magic flowing waters of deep love, thy sweetness give to me for earth and men. You see,
Exactly,
earth and
sir.
men, again, same
Yes,
thing.
sir.
You see,
So
earth
it's
and men.
exactly this last one
Yeah.
which has become operational for that purpose.
I don't think it is that with Krishna
sir.
and Kali.
Okay, sir.
No. In that sense, in a certain sense, this looks little limited.
Okay, sir.
Rather, she is getting more than what she is
She had asked
mentioning
for-
here.
Okay, sir. She's kind of responded for.
She is getting more than what she is here. That's right. Yeah.
Right, sir.
It's true. Basically, my point was essentially, I mean, all along, our impression is that Savitri is going to remove death and bring back the Surya Satyavan. But then removing death and bringing the Surya Satyavan is a relatively minor achievement than bringing the divine Ananda and the divine power yet upon earth.
He said, because if you see, when she was striving against death,
Yeah.
death was saying, okay, you do this, but I'll not give you back Satyavan and all.
Yeah, yeah.
And let's say, hypothetically, if he just says, okay, take back Satyavan and, leave my realm and you go back.
Yeah, yeah.
If that would have happened, nothing of the sort would have
No,
happened.
that's right. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So for this to happen, he had to push her to the limit whereby she would have then entered those supramental realms, and that encounter with the Supreme would happened, and accordingly things progressed from that.
That is
point on.
possible. That we can view that way. See. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So,
But essentially, my point here was, normally we say that she has conquered death, she has brought the Surya Satyavan back. That is not so important, in my opinion, than bringing Krishna and Kali here. By the way, this particular passage of Krishna and Kali description, which is here, was written by Sri Aurobindo in his very first draft of Savitri.
right, sir.
The Arya period draft, 1916 to 1918.
And Krishna Kali has been with Sri Aurobindo
In the record of yoga, that mention is there.
at the very beginning of his yoga and all.
Record of yoga is full of Krishna and Kali. There you
Yes,
see.
sir.
Although here there is no clue directly here, but it is obvious
Right, sir.
from the description.
So essentially, what is to be seen here is, let's say the Krishna Kali, if we have to kind of summarize that,
Yeah,
it is the divine transcendence fulfillment in us,
yeah,
which kind of is achieved through Krishna and Kali's presence on the subtle physical of the earth,
Mm.
which will kind of move the entire thing towards that transformation, which will establish the immortality within the matter, sir.
yeah. Well, you see, when he speaks of the life divine on earth, the seal of that statement is the coming down of Krishna and Kali.
Right, sir.
The seal of that statement is in Krishna and
So you
Kali.
said when he speaks of immortality, sir, you said.
No.
When he speaks of?
See the last sentence, 155:71. Nature shall live to manifest secret God.
Yes, sir.
The spirit shall wake up
Shall take up
the human play.
Yes, sir.
Take up the human play. This earthly life become the life divine. This earthly life become the life divine. That is the seal of manifestation. And it is this which we recognize in the coming of Krishna and Kali.
Right, sir.
Their coming means he has spoken and he is acting upon the thing immediately
Right, sir.
by coming in the form of Krishna and Kali.
And if you see from the purpose of also that when the Supreme is telling that
Yeah.
O Satyavan, O luminous Savitri,
Yeah.
and he's explaining who you are, who
Yeah,
Satyavan
yeah,
is,
yeah.
and for what purpose they've been sent.
Yeah.
Purpose, of course, is to establish divine life.
Yeah.
Purpose is not to kind of rescue each other from death or something.
I mean, removal of death is an important thing, but it is an incidental thing in the
Right,
course of matter.
Right, sir. It is just a necessary step which
Yes.
needs to be
For this thing to happen.
this thing to happen, sir.
Yeah. For this thing to happen. Become the life divine. You
Right,
see.
sir.
This earthly life become the life divine.